Well, where I left off at the last clip, so I didn't nail these together. Got them nailed together. Whew, little bugs. Got my notches for my header. Notches for my header. Notches for my header. My header. Notches. So, gotta put the top plate on next. No, somebody's gonna say, how come you didn't put these walls up? Well, why don't you put these up with those in it? Just me here. Just me. And those heavy things I could barely carry over here. Yep. So, yeah, I don't even know how I'm going to get them up into the spots once I get these erected. Yeah. So, I assume that I cut them right, because my this plate here is 5 inches, so I went from 5 inches from here to here. I added 1.5 inches because I got to run a board underneath there, a trim board underneath there. So I have 7 1/2. Should be right. So that's on all sides. So the next thing you'll see me doing is erecting some sort of top plate, and I'll be putting them up in here. Yeah. Yep. Then I gotta go to some sort of bracing over here in the corner that interesting. I can show you with a couple 2x4s about how it's supposed to go. According to what I understand. So here will be my other plate, and then there'll be another plate like this, going up like this, and then there'll be another board like this. That's what I can make out of all of it. So, and this board here, you can see my finger, I can't see my finger. This board here is for nailing sheetrock, and this is a support for that. This is the other wall coming this way. And then they want you to, before you put the sheeting on, they want you to fill that pocket with insulation. Because this corner right here, that little bit in the corner, that 2 inches in the corner, is a big heat loss, believe it or not. That's what I can make out from the plans. That's what kind of corner braces I got to put in there. So I'm going to nail it from that way. I'm going to nail it from this way, and nail it from this way. All right. Getting dark because the wind's starting to come down, and the leaves are changing color. Alright, 73 Super Glide. Was going to keep you up to date on this. I got, I think as much as, thank you for all you viewers that are watching this. I know it's very boring, and if you look, there's lots of videos out there about buildings, but not all are built by 73 Super Glide. Yeah. Not all of them are built by them. I mean, there's a special way to build them. You know that from this standpoint. Yep. Totally different than anybody else's. If you haven't watched my videos yet, you know that my stuff is primo the crop, built to 100% standards. Yep, that's how we do it here at the ranch. No ranch here, but could be. Alright, we'll see you for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and you can comment down there, or you can punch that like button if you like it. Or if you don't like it, don't punch the dislike button, because I don't know why. Because you don't like the dislike. Well, ta-ta for now. We will see you next time.